Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. On this occasion, I will present the result of my research entitled Description of Student Mathematical Concept Understanding Ability in Terms of Initial Mathematical Ability. Earlier, I will introduce myself. My name is Lasia Agustina. I'm a student in Mathematics Education Doctoral Program of Department of Mathematics Education in Semarang State University, Indonesia. I would like to thank Mr. Zainuri and Mr. Wardono who have guided me through this research. So, as for the background of this research, is first, mathematics is understanding the real concept of mathematical concept, namely being able to translate, interpret, and conclude the mathematical concept based on the information of one's own knowledge, not just memorizing. Mathematical learning objective based on Parmenides number 58 of 2014 is understanding the concept of mathematics. And 3. The average score for student math skill in Indonesian is 386, while the average score in PISA is 419. And 4. In describing the ability to understand mathematical concept, it is necessary to consider students' initial mathematical ability. And the method. This research was conducted at the Indonesia University PGRI Jakarta. The method used is a qualitative method. For the sampling technique, research and purposive sampling, and data source came from student as research subject. The studies use a variety instrument, namely document is test result of student initial mathematical abilities and understanding of mathematical concept, interview guides, and research. Initial Mathematical Ability Test or CAM, and the Mathematical Concept Understanding or Ability or KPKM test. The data collection method used was the triangulation method. On the table 1, criteria for student CAM grouping, we have CAM score or X. If the X more than 70%, the category is CAM high. If the X score between 16% to 70%, category is CAM medium, and if the X less than 60%, that is category is low CAM. And the table 2, rubric for the test of the ability to understand mathematical concept. We have two indicators in this. The first indicator is computational understanding, and the second indicator is functional understanding. Respond to question. There is no answer or the answer is irrelevant. Score is 0. Identify data or concept principle contained in the information provided. Second, and the score is 0 to 2. Carry out calculation on the mathematical process carried out with, include the concept or principles or rule, use the each step of the process, score is 0 to 6. Establish a final solution with operation, score is 2 or 0 to 2. And subtotal, one test item is 0 to 10. The second indicator, functional understanding, if there is no answer or the answer is relevant, the score is 0. If identify the data or concept or principles contained in the information provided, score is 0 to 2. Linking concept or principle to one another and state them in a mathematical symbol, score is 0 to 3. Carry out calculation on the mathematical process carried out by including the concept or principle or rule used at each step of the process, score is 0 to 3. Establish a final solution with a reason, score is 0 to 2. And subtotal, one test item is 0 to. Result and discussion. In Table 3, distribution of result subject, we have a level CAM is high, moderate, and low, and the total of level CAM high is 11 students. Moderate CAM is 9 students, and low CAM is 10 students. And the figure 1, this is the answer to the computational understanding indicator in figure A, and the functional understanding indicator in figure B. And the table 4, data of achievement of the KPKM. Indicator first or understanding computational Ideal score is 10 on HackCam. The means is 15.27. Medium cam means is 15.5. Low cam means is 16.4. And for the second indicator is understanding functional. In cam high means is 11.63. Medium cam means 11.13. Low cam means 9.3. And ideal score is 40. In high cam means is 26.9, medium cam means is 26.55, and low cam means is 25.7, and the total cam means is 26.4. In conclusion, mathematics education students as a whole still experience difficulties in solving problems in understanding mathematical concepts in the basic introduction to mathematics, especially on the indicator of functional understanding. Mathematics education students generally still have difficulty solving math comprehension questions related to the functional understanding indicator for most levels of CAM or initial mathematical ability. However, the difficulty experienced by some students lies in operating the set and reading the set notation symbols. Students with low CAM tend to experience this difficulty. There are several factors that influence students to experience difficulty in solving problems in understanding mathematical concepts, including educational background, age, busy work, and interest in learning and introduction to basic mathematics. So much explanation for me. Thank you and see you later.